In a striking move to enhance its military surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities, North Korea has introduced the Saetbile-4, a high-altitude, long-endurance, hail, drone that shares similarities with the American RQ-4 Global Hawk. Revealed at the 2023 Weapons and Equipment Exhibition in Pyongyang, the drone has garnered worldwide attention. Its advanced design and capabilities are seen as a symbol of North Korea's evolving military modernization efforts and its aspirations in strategic intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR. The Saetbile-4, whose name translates to Morning Star 4, marks a significant achievement for North Korea, especially given the country's ongoing struggles with international sanctions. The drone features an impressive 35-meter wingspan and an aerodynamic design akin to the US RQ-4, with high-mounted wings and a V-tail configuration. While its appearance mirrors that of one of the world's most sophisticated surveillance drones, the technology within remains largely a mystery. The US RQ-4 Global Hawk, developed in the late 1990s by Northrop Grumman, is a benchmark for hail drones. Capable of operating at altitudes above 60,000 feet and staying airborne for over 30 hours, it boasts advanced sensors like synthetic aperture radar, SAR, electro-optical/infrared, EO/IR, cameras, and signals intelligence systems. These capabilities provide unparalleled surveillance and battlefield awareness over vast distances. In contrast, the internal specifications of the Saetbile-4 remain speculative. Experts believe it may have been reverse-engineered from satellite images or recovered debris of similar foreign drones, with some technical assistance possibly coming from external sources. However, North Korea is unlikely to have access to the cutting-edge sensors or communication systems that equip NATO standard platforms. One major unknown is the drone's engine and propulsion system. North Korea's lack of advanced turbofan technology suggests the Saetbile-4 could be powered by a modified commercial turbojet or an older, low-bypass engine. This would limit its altitude, possibly restricting it to between 12,000 and 15,000 meters and cutting its flight endurance to around 12 to 18 hours, depending on fuel and payload. Despite these limitations, the sheer scale and configuration of the Saetbile-4 suggest that it is intended for high-stakes ISR missions. This could involve monitoring military activities in the region, such as US and South Korean movements, naval operations in key waters, and potentially early warning missile systems. In the future, the drone may even be adapted for electronic warfare or strike missions, particularly as North Korea advances in drone and missile technologies. This development has prompted a response from regional military powers. South Korea is investing in anti-drone technologies like radar systems and directed energy weapons, while Japan is enhancing its counter-UAV capabilities. The United States is reinforcing its missile defense and ISR systems, viewing North Korea's drone advancements as an asymmetric threat capable of breaching sophisticated defense mechanisms. The Saetbile-4 is not just a military tool, it serves as a symbol of North Korea's technological progress and its ambition to compete in the global aerospace arena. Though it still lags behind Western systems in terms of technology, the development of this drone demonstrates North Korea's growing capabilities in aerospace engineering and its determination to achieve technological self-sufficiency. Looking ahead, defense analysts are particularly concerned about the future iterations of the Saetbile-4. If North Korea succeeds in integrating more advanced optics, secure communication links, or even rudimentary satellite control, it could establish a regional hail drone capability that would significantly alter the security dynamics on the Korean peninsula. For now, the Saetbile-4 stands as a testament to North Korea's military aspirations, a bold, yet imperfect, step towards establishing itself as a formidable player in the world of high-tech defense. As its development progresses, it will undoubtedly remain a key focus for analysts tracking the evolving balance of power in East Asia.